Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, come to quiz time. Today we are conducting quiz on types of noun. Means you have to identify the types of noun. Dear students, यहाँ पे आपको noun की किस्म पहचानना है कि वो कॉमन नाउन है या प्रॉपर नाउन है, कॉन्क्रीट नाउन है या अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है. यस, लेट अस कम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ऑप्शन ए कॉमन नाउन, ऑप्शन बी प्रॉपर नाउन, ऑप्शन सी कॉन्क्रीट नाउन, ऑप्शन डी अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. Yes. Came to the second question. Geeta is singing a song. Here Geeta is option A common noun, option B proper noun, option C concrete noun, option D abstract noun. Question number 3. Our teacher is going to home. Here, the word teacher is option A common noun, option B proper noun, option C concrete noun, option D abstract noun. Yes. Question number 4. Rahul joined the army. Here, the word army is option A common noun, option B collective noun, option C concrete noun, option D proper noun. Yes. Question number 5. My father is. Here father is option A common noun, option B proper noun, option C collective noun, option D abstract noun. Yes. Question number 6. I am going to Delhi. Here Delhi is option A collective noun, option B proper noun, option C common noun, option D abstract noun. Question number 7. There is a heavy rainfall in Bombay. Here rainfall is option A compound noun, option B single noun, option C concrete noun, option D abstract noun. Yes. Question number 8. I love my India. Here the word love is option A abstract noun, option B proper noun, option C concrete noun, option D collective noun. Question number 9. Srinagar is the capital city of Kashmir. Here Srinagar is option A common noun, option B proper noun, option C concrete noun, option D abstract noun. Yes, the last question. Question number 10. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. Here capital city is option A proper noun, option B common noun, option C concrete noun, option D abstract noun. So dear student, here is your quiz. Play well and write your score, means your number, in the score box, means in the comment box. Okay. Allah Hafiz.